Hi guys, today is a day of a new video. I've been really looking forward to doing. I'm making 3 iPhone 14 Pro Max giveaway for everyone want to win iPhone 14 Pro Max for free, and I can announce in this my channel when the winner is collected and announcement of the winners. We're going to be giving away is going to be opening from today until I'm going to show you how to fully enter into possibly getting a hands on one of these free prizes that we have here. Now what I have done is I've set up a form that you can see here in my video. I will say this, please do read these terms conditions before entering into the giveaway, so make sure you understand everything that's in there, and then also you just for that some other details like your YouTube name, your email address, and also the possibility as well of your phone number. To enter this giveaway form, please just visit the link in this video. New York, open your browser and pass it, so you will see the form. Enter submit to join my giveaway. Into this you need to fill in this form, and you also need to make sure that you've left a comment on this video. You want to enter into the giveaway, you can leave me a lovely comment below. What is very key is also make sure that you are a subscriber. To all of these bits and pieces will be checked before announcing if you are going to be the winner or not. But let's talk about the prizes that are going to be happening in the giveaway. Well, the first prize that we have here is this one, right? And this is going to be going to one lucky person that's going to get their hands on this, and in that giveaway I'll be announcing who it is in the live stream. And like I said, we have to just fill in that form, and you could possibly get your hands on this. If you are the third person or the third place person to get your hands on this, it'll be an international giveaway, so you could win that the iPhone prize I'm giving away is right here in front of me. It's gonna be an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it's your choose as silver white color. Here it's the 128GB model. Way too lucky subscriber on this channel and one person who's filled in this form I showed you at the beginning of this video. If you've skipped over those details about the form, do rewind the video back, because you need to learn what you need to put into that thought, and you need to also read those terms and conditions. And like I said guys, again, the giveaway will be opening at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, or that's the equivalent of 6 p.m. or 18 o'clock GMT time, so that's the British time, and you can work that out. All the details will be in the description below, including also the form to fill in for this. Now what I'll also say is that we will be doing another giveaway, and I'll be announcing what that new giveaway will be at that live stream too, and I'll give you a bit of a clue what could be one of the prizes. All I'm going to say is you need to watch the video, because it's going to be ultra. That's all I'm going to say, so work it out from that what won the prizes I've collected. You will be announced as the winner or not on this giveaway, and that's how we will pick the winner. But what I will also say guys is I'm really excited for this giveaway, for you guys to enter and get your hands on one of these prizes. And the reason why I do these giveaways is because of you guys, because you make this community such a great place, and I'd love to give something back to you guys, because you've made it such an awesome place. And if it wasn't for you guys, this channel just wouldn't exist. So with that guys, it's time to wrap up this video. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button, and also what I will say is best of luck for entering into it. And also at the same time, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks, goodbye.